Y'all, what is good, man? What's good? It's your boy Devontae, aka More Than Greatness, and I'm back with another video, guys. So tonight, well, first and foremost, let me just say Happy New Year to you all. It's not New Year's yet. We have about where I'm at. I'm in Georgia, so we have about 2 more hours left. But I'm gonna just go ahead and say it in advance. Happy New Year to you and your family. Hope y'all be safe out there. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do. You don't know what I would do, but
What do you mean by that?
But nah, y'all. So just happy New Year to all y'all. Today was a crazy year, but a good year in a sense. But I'm gonna switch up my content a little bit, guys. So I always get tips about um beard tips, like as far as what I do to my beard to get it the way that it looks. When I go out and stuff like that, or just out and about. I always get guys, come up to me, hey man, how do you get your beard like that, and this, that, and the third, and here I am making this video to you guys to just show you a little bit of tips as far as what I do. I can't say what other guys do. I can't say what Jerry and Tom do, but I can tell you what Devontae, what I do. So that's what I'm gonna do, you guys. It's just pretty simple tips. I'm actually about to cut my hair right now, so I am gonna trim it up. That's one of the things I do. But this is just more so for if you don't have the tools, if you don't know how to cut your own hair, and you just want some simple tips as far as what you could do to manage your beard or make it look presentable when you go out, whatever the case may be, such as a situation like tonight, you're going out to New Year's Eve party or whatever. So I'm just gonna go through it, show you what I do to make it look good and whatnot. As you can see, I wet it up just now, but I haven't picked it out or anything like that, so it's looking kind of rough. But first up, I'm gonna just dive right into it. So the first thing that I do, I like to wet my beard. Now typically I like to take a shower, let the steam and let the hot water go on top of the beard to soften it up. Now typically my beard is pretty soft because I manage it pretty well. But even still, if I'm about to go out or if I'm about to go to work or something like that, no matter what it is, I always try to make sure I get it wet. Pause. Yeah, so whether I take a shower or another tool that you guys can use for simplistic purposes, if you don't have time to take a shower and you're just going on the run, really quick, get yourself a spray bottle, guys. This is very, very clutch. A lot of people don't know that, and I don't know if they know that or if they do or no, they don't, but I know. This is what I do. I get a spray bottle. You want to put hot water in it, or you can just do it with just warm water. It doesn't really matter. Something with a good spray nozzle that sprays out like a mist, so you can get everything. And I've already wet it up, but just for the video purposes, I'm gonna do it again just to show you what I do exactly. So you spread all the way around, make sure it's wet, and then you just go ahead and just pick it out. Get yourself a pick. Some people use combs. I have a comb as well. Sometimes I use it, sometimes I don't. But if I do, I'll probably just comb it through first just to make sure you get it untangled, detangled, whatever you want to call it. Just detangle your beard. My beard is pretty thick, so if your beard is thick, typically you might want to use a pick. It'll probably be better. But if you have a short beard and your beard is pretty low, maybe you want to use a comb, a brush. But like I said, mine is thick, so for me, I typically use my pick most of the time. And y'all forgive me, I'm looking at the mirror and I'm looking at you guys too, so I'm picking it all the way around. Just to pick it out and everything like that. Make sure the water absorbs. Make sure the hair absorbs the water. And as you can see, guys, you see the difference? I don't know if y'all can really see that. It's poofed out now, y'all. So that's a very good hack, y'all. That's a very good hack. This water is a very good hack. As opposed to just getting the water, putting your hands on the water faucet and just no. Get yourself a spray bottle, y'all. I promise you. Trust me. Thank me later. You will thank me later. And then, like I said, it's very simple, guys. Very simple. Another thing that I do right after, follow that up. I follow it up with a beard oil. This is the one I use at the moment. I don't know if you guys can see that. See if it let it focus. It probably won't focus right now, but this is Shea Moisturizer Man. It's a beard conditioner oil. Now typically what I use for my beard, I usually oh, what is it called? You can get it from Walmart and Target, but it's in a blue jar. I'll post it in the comments after this video. But I typically use the beard oil and also the beard balm. Those two things come hand in hand. Those is clutch. Now I also sometimes use a beard kit, like, you know, if I'm feeling really, you know, a little saucy or, you know, whatever, I'll do the full thing. But this is for simplistic purposes, guys. When you don't have all the tools, just get yourself a beard oil, a simple beard oil from Walmart, you know, your local grocery store, your local Sally's or whatever the case may be. Not grocery store, but, you know, your local beauty store. Like in my case, I got this beard oil shipped by Shea Moisture. It's really, really good. Just a few drops. Rub it in your hands. And just moisturize it. Rub it in through your beard, guys. Make sure you get all in there on the bottom. Around it. I sometimes like to put it on my mustache as well. And by this point, guys, trust me, with the hot water combined with the hot water and this oil, guys, your beard is gonna be soft. A lot of y'all beards are really hard and rough, bro. I'm getting a lot of complaints from the women. I have my own girl and she, you know what I'm saying, she love my beard, you know, soft and this, that, and the third, but I'm getting a lot of complaints from you guys. I don't know what y'all doing.
What are you doing?
Y'all not brushing out y'all beard, y'all not combing out y'all beard, y'all not putting oil. And one of my homeboys, the man used Vaseline for his beard, and I'm just like, bro, what are you doing? No, guys. So, guys, you gotta take care of your beard. Take care of your beard like you do your hair, you know, like you do your teeth, your skin care. Like, this is all a part of your hygiene. Your beard is a part of your hygiene too, guys. You don't need to be having fleas and shit like that. No, guys, we don't do that around here. So now you just want to follow that up, picking it out after you've applied the water and the oil or beard balm, whatever you want to use. Like in my case, for simplistic purposes, this will do just fine. I promise you. The oil and water combined with the water. You know, you're just trying to do something really quick just to get out. This is really, really good. And I promise you guys, it's gonna be nice and shiny and soft, y'all. Look at that. You see the difference? Just pick it out, guys. Just pick it out nice. Detangle it. And then the final step, y'all. This is key. I don't know if a lot of people know this, but I know this. And this will, like I said, I can't tell you what. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just telling you what I do. And this may help. This may or may not help you. Now, the final thing that I do after I've done picked it out, combed it out, brush it out, whatever your beard. Now, everybody's beard is different. Some have more coarse hair, some have rough hair, whatever. This may or may not work for you, but this may also work for you. So what I do after I'm done picking it out, I like to pat it down, guys. This is very, very simple. And this is a hack. A lot of people don't know this. I don't think a lot of people know this, y'all. And if they do, they ain't doing it right. But this is what I do. Imagine it like picture like a afro. I don't know if some of you guys have ever had an afro. I've had an afro before. And after you pick out your afro, you know, you pick it out. You pick it out and then you pat it down. You know, get you a piece of paper or a newspaper or like an envelope and just pat it down. That's what you do to your beard too. This is what I do. And just pat it down to the shape that you want, y'all. It's just that simple. It's just that simple, y'all. Pat it down. Now me, for my shape, the shape of my face, I have a big ass head. So what I realized, and this may take trial and error, but you're gonna figure out what shape beard what fits your face, what shape beard fits your face. For me, my beard typically, my facial structure and how I look, my beard, I like it like this. I like it to go like round like that, right under it. So even when I cut my hair after this video, I'm gonna trim it down just a little bit. Not trim it down per se, just like kind of just, you know, just shape it up. But I like it to be like this, y'all. So I like it to come down from the sides like this and then just go around like that. Now, some people like it going like this. Some people, you know, like it low and all of that. But this is what I like. This is what fits my face. And you got to realize that, you know, you got to find out what beard shape fits your face. And then go from there. But this is a very good hack, y'all. to pat it down into place, into the shape that you want. And then you go from there, y'all. It's just that simple. This is a very simple process in order to get your beard to look decent. You know, if you don't have time to go to the barber or anything like that, this is a very simple process in order to get your beard looking nice on such last minute. Like I said, this is not what Bob do. This ain't what Jerry do. This is what Devontae does, okay? This is what I do. And I do this every single time. Even when I cut my hair, guys, I do this. I do this all the time. Every single time. And as you can see, it's looking nice, y'all. See? Big difference. Let me just get a little closer so you can see. Yeah, man. So that's about it, y'all. So it's a very simple process. So 3 steps. It doesn't take a genius to do this. It's really simple, guys. Honestly, it could work for any type of hair, to be honest with you. No matter what type of hair you got, this process will work for you. So just a quick, simple video, guys. I didn't want to make this too long. Just wanted to, do this really quick, for time purposes. But I am gonna cut my hair right now. I cut my own hair, and if you guys do want to see like hair cutting tutorials, I can show that to you. Show you how I cut my own hair, and also how I shape my beard when I'm actually using my tools. My trimmers and whatnot. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do after this video is done. I'm gonna cut my hair, and then I'm also gonna trim on my beard. So if you wanna see that, how I trim on my beard, I'll show you that, and show you how I do the process of shaping up my beard and making it look nice and fertile. So like I said, like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel, guys. I do skits, I do songs, everything, y'all. So this was kind of like a different avenue, but I always, like I said, I get a lot of tips and questions as far as how do I do my beard and stuff like that. So I just wanted to share this to you guys, all the fellas out there who may need help in this avenue. So yeah, guys, I appreciate y'all for tuning in with me, and I'll see y'all in the next one, y'all.